In this video, we will see how to assign values to the different section components using an Excel spreadsheet. This new option can be very useful when multiple assignments need to be made across different stations, as performing the process manually in the editing window can be time-consuming. In this example, we will work with ditch assignments. First, we activate the Ditches tab and create an assignment up to the final station. Next, we click the Export to Excel button. An Excel file containing the assignment we have just created will open automatically. Using Excel's tools, we can then create all the assignments we need. In the header of each column, the value that must be entered is displayed in parentheses. Once the assignments have been completed, we save the file. We then return to the section editor, click the Import from Excel button, and select the file saved in the previous step. Notice how all the assignments are automatically loaded into the editor. Just as we have done with ditches, assignments can also be managed through Excel for platforms, cut and fill slopes, retaining walls, and clearance berms.